I recently did a video about Arabic letters and we talked about the ones highlighted in green in the sense that they don't exist in English, but you can probably already make the sounds. Now today I'm going to talk about the letters highlighted in yellow and red. And for the record, the ones that are not highlighted already have an equivalent in English, okay? So the ones highlighted in yellow, so we have, these are what I call the emphatic letters. So we have like a regular S, but then we have like a strong S or a heavy S. So this would be the strong S, Sad. Similarly here, Dad, this is not regular. Da, it's a Dad. We have regular Da, but this is Dad. Similarly here, this is Ta, it's not a regular T, it's a Ta. Here, it's not, it's a Da, Da. It's not the, it's a heavy one, okay? Now, these emphatic, you could pronounce them. Now, the more difficult ones though are the ones highlighted in red. These are arguably one of the most difficult letters to pronounce in Arabic. The ha, the kha, the ayn, the qaf. Okay, let me know which letter is the most difficult for you to pronounce in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to check out the free mini course in the bio or description. See you there.